Transform your cherished memories into a stunning, tangible keepsake by creating your very own Costco photo book. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Costco Photo Center website, look for the Photo Books option, and click on it. You'll see various book sizes and styles to choose from for this tutorial. We're going with a popular 8x8-inch hardcover. Once you've selected your book, it's time to upload your photos. Click on the Upload Photos button. You can choose photos directly from your computer. Or if they're already stored with Costco, you can select them from your existing albums. It's best to select all the photos you want to include before you start designing. Now for the fun part, designing. Costco offers a fantastic range of pre-designed templates and layouts. To make this easy, you can drag and drop your uploaded photos directly onto the pages. Notice the layout options available on the side. Click through them to see how your photos fit differently. Some layouts are perfect for a single standout image, while others are great for showcasing a collection. Don't forget personalization. You can add captions or titles to your photos by clicking on the text boxes. Feel free to adjust the font, size, and color to match your theme. If you want to get really creative, you can even add embellishments like clip art or change the background color of individual pages. Take your time to review each page. You can easily move photos around, resize them, or even swap them out. A good tip is to scroll through the entire book to ensure a consistent flow and that all your favorite moments are beautifully displayed. When you're absolutely happy with your masterpiece, click Add to Cart or Order Now. You'll be prompted to select your preferred shipping or in-store pickup options. And just like that, your personalized Costco photo book will be on its way to becoming a treasured family heirloom.